All right, so
Sorry, my computer is acting up for some reason. It's just like, for some reason, the year was 2038 and everything's acting up. Just have to like reset everything. So go ahead and get started if you guys need to.
okay, I already started recording, so it should be good.
Okay.
For 2 and 3, I'm assuming the proportions is just wanting us to divide the yes by the total, right?
All right.
So you were talking about 3 saying that you just subtracted 2, right?
You divide the 2, right?
Right.
Divide the 2. So you divide the yeses for male and female?
No, you divide the yes of the female by the total number of females to get P1. And the same with P2 with the males.
So 52 divided by 70?
Yeah.
So did you guys get 0.74? 3?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then 0.712?
Yes.
Why are there 18 questions?
Is it the third one for number 5?
That's what I went with.
Okay, yeah, because the P1's greater than P2. I'm assuming.
Remind me how we do the confidence interval again.
I struggled with this one on the last quiz. The confidence interval.
So for the sample size, will that be 129?
I have no clue.
Yeah, I'd say that's the total.
Deviation. Is that P1 minus P2?
The what?
So confused. Is it? I'm so confused how to do this.
Which question are you talking about?
I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm stuck.
I'm still on number 6. Uh,
How do you find the point estimate?
oh, you're on the same one as me.
I'm not sure, but my closest guess, although that I can think of, is P1 hat minus P2 hat.
It's what?
Subtract question 4 from question 3.
So P1 minus P2?
Yeah.
Why didn't she just- Did you get 0.031 then?
Yeah. I'm not saying that is the correct answer. I'm just saying what I did. So
Yeah, I understand. So how would you find the standard deviation? I know how to find the margin of error. I just don't know what the standard deviation is.
I'll suggest you just use Excel. It's the long formula.
This one would be considered a two proportion one.
What?
Is this one a two proportion problem?
Yeah.
Which Excel sheet are you using?
The categorical data analysis
Okay.
hat.
That would make my life so much easier. Is it the total number of females or just the yes portion for X1?
I did the total number of females as N1 for the sample size, but I don't know if that's right.
Most likely. What'd you guys do for the sample size for finding the margin? Or margin?
I didn't hear that.
I said for the sample size. Did you guys, what number did you use for the find the margin of error?
I am not sure. I was just on that part.
Um, I just did it by hand. So you just use the respective samples, the respective ends in the formula. There's no part where you use a general sample size.
For the find the margin of error?
Yeah.
Because the formula to find the margin of error, isn't it the 1.96 times the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample?
Right, but this time there's two samples, so you have to use both of them.
Do you
So you have to do a
sub-
margin of error for both of them.
So in other words, you find the standard deviation for P1 hat plus the standard deviation for P2 hat. So
And
you
then
use
what?
sample sizes for each, and that's it.
But there's only one margin of error.
Yeah, I said you class them together.
What?
Do you have the formula?
So one for one sample.
It'll make more sense if you find the formula. The formula is pretty long, so you have for me to just read it out for you. But look through the notes. You should be able to. If you go to the chapter, you should be able to see the formula on there, and it's everything to the right of it.
For lesson 18?
Yeah.
I looked through it. Are you talking about the z-score?
No. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, scroll all the way to the bottom, almost to the bottom. You would get to a
Okay.
portion. You'd get to a portion where you have these really long formulas. So the formula that is right on top of the green box that says "Remember for 95% confidence interval." Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that formula on top of it. Use the
That's the
z.
formula for margin of error?
Yes. So you see on one half you have the minus z and the square root and everything inside there.
Mm-hmm.
That is the margin of error. That the z and everything in the square root. So just once you solve that, you should be able to get your margin of error.
Wow.
Great.
Oh,
That's fantastic. Okay.
I like the other formula better. So we do is starting with the P1 minus P2.
Including the z. So everything after the operation sign. So everything after the minus sign. So z times then everything in the square root.
And then that's it.
Yep.
So it's not that bad. It looks like scary, but Is it 0.012?
One moment. Good question.
Number 7, the margin of error. I could have typed it in wrong, my calculator.
I got 0.154.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay, then I typed it in wrong. I probably needed to enter like more parentheses or something.
Let me see here. So for the lower bound, do we just put negative 0.123?
Yeah.
That one we subtract by the mean or the standard deviation. I forgot.
Did you get fail to reject HO?
Yeah.
there's insufficient evidence, right?
Right.
Sorry about that. I had some roommate emergency come up. How far are we?
I am on 16. I don't know what he's on.
Okay. I'm on 13.
Okay.
Um, Redwood.
I don't remember. Are p hat and p the same value?
I don't know. I believe so.
They're not the same value.
They're not? Okay, good. I didn't do that. I don't remember how to find the regular, because I have p hat and p hat, like second p hat. I just don't have the p1 and p2 to find the z-score.
It's 0.
It's just 0.
Yeah.
Z scored 0.
So p.
Because I know there's a long equation to find the Z score.
It's huge.
P1 minus Q is 0.
Yeah, or you can just use Excel.
Me and Excel are really not very good friends.
Where are you getting the P values for Excel on Excel?
The Excel program that you used to solve the previous question is the same one you'd use to solve this question.
Yeah, I understand that. Oh, okay, on the I think it's 0, yeah. Okay.
I got a really wacky number for the z-score.
Negative.
What did you get?
Is that what you got?
I don't know. Can you guys see that?
0.142?
I have no idea. It's like 0.000003. This class.
What'd you get?
If we have everything plugged into Excel, shouldn't the z-score be on there?
It should.
Is it
I
negative 2.20 point? I can't talk. Negative 2.020.
Yep.
That's
Oh,
what I got.
great. I already have the answer on my stinking thing. Uh,
Um, 420. Did you see? Or the third one?
Yeah, it's the third one.
so we would fail to reject? Reject.
Reject. I'll go ahead and submit it.
I already submitted mine.
Okay.
So you can listen. I can tell you all the answers.
Okay, I just finished. I'll go back to the top.
Well, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so from number 3.743, number 4.712, number 5 is the first one. Number
It's the
6
first
is,
one?
yeah. Number 6 is 0.031. Number 7 is 0.154. Number 8 is minus 0.123. Number 9 is 0.185. Number 10 is the first one. Number 11 is the last one. Number 12 is true. 13 is the last one. 14 is 0.141. 15 is 0.145. 16 is minus 2.020. 17 is the first one. 18.022. 19 is the last one. And 20 is the last but one.
Awesome. I did pretty good, kind of, with all the help. Thank you, guys.
No problem. Time is chill.
I never
Okay.
read. I never read what she said about our the project proposal thing.
She says we should choose a different one and resubmit it.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said to get our data would be too hard.
Um. Can you guys think of an easier topic? I can't think of one.
Well, I've known students in the past when I did my freshman years, I had people go around and their statistical question is, it wasn't this exactly, but it was along the lines of people can work out better or do better in their workouts if they have positive reinforcements than those who have negative reinforcements. So if someone's cheering you on to do it, you can do better. But if someone's telling you you can't do it and just to give up while you're ahead because you're failing, it doesn't work. And people give up easier.
Okay.
We can do something along those lines.
That sounds. Anything's. I'm good with anything.
What do you think, Wesley?
Sure. Oops.
The only thing with that is answering all those dumb questions, and I couldn't figure out how to answer those questions.
Okay. Well, do you guys want to meet tomorrow or Thursday? And then we probably could take like 10 minutes to answer it all together.
Yeah, I actually kind of have to go, so we can do it
Thursday.
tomorrow.
Thursday will be okay. Well, we can do tomorrow too.
What'd you
Actually,
say?
I can't do
Okay.
tomorrow because tomorrow I wouldn't be in town. So Thursday works better for me.
Okay, sounds good.
Thursday works for me too.
6:30 again?
S-
6?
For
6:30?
Thursday,
Sure.
6:30 sounds good.
Okay. I always say 6:30 and my brain's like 5:30. Okay. Talk to you guys then.
See you on
See ya.
Thursday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.